Oh my God, I'm gonna look road, so. Hey, yeah, look roady. Boy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I wanted to come back and share with you something about an item that I featured on my channel before. Loves this item. You guys know, well, you should know by now at least, that I love pocketbooks. I am a handbag freak. So I had featured this particular bag on my channel some months ago. It is Teddy Blake. I absolutely love this bag, guys. It has the crossbody strap, and I freaking rocked the hell out of this bag for work for a really long time, and it's really held up. Super cute. I get a lot of compliments on this bag. Recently I was looking for the perfect bag to rock with these Louis Vuitton boots that I have, and you know, I decided against going with a $3,000 bag to match exactly, because I'm like, oh my God, wait a minute, I can just use this bag right here, wrap the scarf that I've got around my head, which I'll show you what it looks like in a little bit, and rock it with it, and it would look great. The boots that I'm talking about are these guys right here. You see? And then you take the scarf, you wrap it around the handles, you got like a nice little look going. Super cute. There's a million ways that you can style this, guys. You can dress it up, you can make it super casual with a crossbody. It's just very versatile, and so I wanted to come on and share with you because they're actually having a huge sale, up to 70% off their bags. teddyblake.com, check them out. Great quality leather bags, really rivals any up there on par with any other high-end designer bag. I'm going to show you how I style this with my scarf. So this is one way that I like to dress up my Teddy Blake bag. As you can see, I've wrapped my Louis Vuitton scarf around the handles, and the handles are completely concealed, and it just makes it look very nice. Super high end. I absolutely love it. And like I said, when I rock it like this, I pair it with my Louis Vuitton boots, so they go really well together. The blue, the color just brings out the blue in here, and obviously the scarf ties it all together. I really like it. Again, they have a lot of great styles, crossbodies, more structured bags, hobos, you name it, they've got it. So check them out, you guys, teddyblake.com. Let me know if you do end up getting one. If you do, come back and let me know what you got, how you like it, and you know, I'd love to hear how you're gonna style yours. That is it for this video. I am going to now find some place to go, but God, guess what? We're outside. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.